Recently I was on my friend Jason Wyman's stream and he was doing a giveaway for viewers. He was using a list of names and editing code in real time to pick a winner, which is a fair process for someone who's teaching coding on his channel. During the stream, a thought hit me. But with the recent addition of AI in the Monkeys with Guns game, maybe I should make it so you could do giveaways using the monkeys as viewers' proxies. So I present to you in this video, Monkeys with Guns, the AI Tournament Edition. To adapt the game for this mode, I had to make several alterations, with the main one being to enable the game to run with only AI players battling it out. This was a simple alteration as the game already enabled this with its direct play mode that you can see in the video I link here talking about how I developed the AI for the game. The next alteration was to add an extra functionality to the game's tournament mode, where you can select various options for the players, like whether health pickups spawn and what guns the monkeys start with. This extra functionality was to have an option to select the number of AI players battling it out. Now Monkeys with Guns is a 4-player local co-op game, and when people are playing it, it works best this way. Once you get too high, picking out your monkey in the mass of monkeys becomes nearly impossible, as you'll see here in the 16-player AI tournament play. So for the numbers I chose 4, 8, 16 and 32 players. However, the 32 mode is right on the verge of being way too much at the moment. The last alteration was the addition of names. The game needed to show the viewers which monkey was their proxy that was battling it out in the game. The monkey display was coded in such a way that this change was super easy, with a simple data-driven display using names assigned to the player class. These names are currently driven by an externally sourced list of names that a person running the game can easily copy and paste into an automated splitting of names using commas or line separations. With these additions, the Monkeys with Guns AI tournament is born, and will be coming to streams in the near future, including on Vimlark, who's the designer of this game, which I will link to in the description. So go check him out, and you never know, maybe he'll be running it when you get there. Now this new mode wouldn't be complete without an easy build option tool, so I created a Build AI tournament button. This performs a Unity build and then creates an installation file using the inno setup compiler, a great free utility for creating installers for your games to allow easy distribution. I will do a tutorial video soon detailing this utility and how I use it for easy distribution and installation, which can be used in things like QA. And also how I integrated it into the Unity builds for automation, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video. So what's up next for this AI tournament mode? Well, I want to make sure people enjoy it. This is the same as when I'm developing any game. I want to get it out into the world early and get some feedback. If it proves to be fun for people watching the streams, I will create some more integration and polish how it's launched, etc. And that's all I wanted to cover in this short video. I hope you enjoyed it, and consider giving it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.